2 people have died after a personal vehicle heading to Nairobi and public vehicle matatu, that is, collided head-on at the Muranga along Kenol Road, that's in Muranga County. The two among 5 people in the personal vehicle said to have been overtaking in a hilly area before the head-on collision occurred. Police confirmed that the area is a black spot where in early June, an assistant chief and a child died on the spot after a matatu they were traveling in hit a university bus. Motorists have been asked to exercise caution in the area, even as residents are urging for the expansion of the road as a matter of urgency.
Ni kuhimiza wananchi wote, especially kuanzia Ijumaa, Jumamosi, Jumapili, hii barabara iko na magari mingi kiwango. Kwa hivyo mahali hata kama mtu anaona ni sawa, mtu awe muangalifu sahindi.